When people think to make a website, they only think about website, like how to make a website, what are the outstanding designs, and which tools should I be used to develop. But they don't think about why this website was made. What is the main reasons of making a website? So, hello, my name is Ahidet, and I am a web developer and learning web designer. I am now making my own portfolio website, and I will teach you how to make a website step by step. Not just, hey, I have to make a website. Let's do it by looking at the WordPress CMS and how to make this website, or open just the Squarespace, sign up them, and make a website. No, these are just the final step. These are just the implementation step. These are not the first step. To make a website, we need to go step by step. We need to know the purpose of making a website or the reasons of why I make this website. For my case, I want to get more clients, so I make my own portfolio websites. I want to make this education the purpose video, and to the employer who want to look about me. For those who are making a website or thinking to make a website, you should rethink about why I will make this website or why I am doing this website. What is my purpose? For e-commerce website, you may like to get more clients from the website with the system. For e-learning website, you may want to get more students and etc. So, okay, after defining your purpose of this website, you should make some steps to make a website. So I'm now showing my step that I'm going to make a website. Actually, I'm half of the way. So the first step is analysis step. We need to analyze the market. We need to analyze what are the similar websites, what are the similar websites look like, and how they are running. And the second step is to document about your analysis. Without documentation, your analysis and thinking might forget in the future. The second step is about design. In design, before making a wireframe to low fidelity prototyping, you should first make a copywriting. A website copywriting is actually um, about the content of your website. Some people think about the prototype, some people think about the design, but after designing, want to put the text, and the text may be too long or the text may be too short. That is not a good point. And the reason of your client come to you, I mean your website, is not just looking at your design. Your design may be good, but their main purpose is to look at the content. Some of the website maybe varies, especially if you are a photographer and you want to make a photographer website, and your clients or the people who the visitor of your website may look at the photos that you have shot. But if you're a agency or a web developer, and like my website, the main point is the content. Who are you? What is your philosophy? What is your strategy of making a website? And the content form, and especially and your previous projects or portfolio, of course. So I believe the content is important. So I think in the design step, you should write about the content or the copywriting first, and the wireframe design and the low fidelity prototype. But what I found out is that, and according to my previous experience, wireframe design is not the must-have function. You can straight right up to low fidelity prototyping, just a sketch wireframe design. Your wireframe design shouldn't be so long. That's not a good point. Like I did, I have put 2 days for the wireframe design, but I actually did in 1 day. But I have did in 2 days because I have something else to do. Okay, and the third step is implementation, and that is the step where most of the people make this step as the first thing. But this is not the first thing, this is the last thing to make a website. After you have having a prototyping, you know what exactly how the content, what is the design, and here we go, you can make a website. So this is the documentation of the website. So Today's video is about the step by step and the process that I make for my website. And this is just a part 1 of how to make a website, and in the next part I will show you how I make a research the similar websites and I document about my website so that you can inspire and you can look and you can, oh, okay, the point is good, I will check that out, and you can do it by yourself.